In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a calendar to your Webflow account. This is a straightforward process that will help you integrate scheduling and event management directly onto your website, offering a streamlined experience for your visitors and clients. Let's dive right in. First, we need to begin by accessing your calendar account. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're on the home page where you can easily access your meetings. Now, once you're logged in, you'll notice a series of meetings or events you've already set up. What we're looking for is a little menu icon represented by 3 vertical dots located on the right side of your meeting list. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up a drop-down menu for you. From this list, you want to select the option that says Add to Website. This is crucial because it's going to give us the tools we need to integrate your calendar into Webflow. Once you've clicked Add to Website, you'll see several options for embedding, but for the sake of keeping things neat and straightforward, select Inline Embed. This is a great choice if you want your calendar to appear right within the flow of your web page. After selecting Inline Embed, let's proceed by clicking Continue. This is going to generate an HTML code that you'll use to insert your calendar into your Webflow site. The next step is simple but important. Go ahead and click Copy Code. This button is often right beside the code window, making it easy for you to grab the string of code we need. With your code now copied to your clipboard, it's time to head over to your Webflow account. If you haven't already, log in or open up the Webflow project where you want to add your calendar. Once inside, navigate to the page and section where you want your calendar to appear. You'll want to use a custom code widget or an HTML embed component where you can paste the code directly. Simply paste the code you earlier copied into this section and save your changes. Allow your web page to refresh or republish, and voila! Your calendar will now be live on your Webflow site,